Today, I'm gonna show you how to build an email funnel in a couple of minutes with AI. Hi, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at team-gpt. For today's demo, we're gonna use team-gpt. I've created a fictional workspace and I have opened my marketing folder. As you can see here, I'm gonna open our prompt library over here, and I'm gonna create a new prompt. I'm going to use our prompt builder that we have inside team-gpt. First, I'm gonna show you how to build a good prompt for email funnels that you can later reuse, and then I'm gonna show you how this prompt works in action. I'm gonna call it email funnel, and I'm gonna start writing the prompt or slash the instruction. So, you are a first-class email marketer. This is how our prompt is going to start. So, for this prompt, I'm first using a persona. Persona is also called an AI character, and it's a prompting technique where you tell the chat you're a lawyer, you're a marketing expert, you're a copywriter, etc. And only then you actually continue with your prompt and you give the instructions to the AI. Using a persona while prompting at the very beginning of your chats is one of the best things that you can do, because personas provide a lot of context for the AI, for the model on their own. So they are awesome at getting the AI into the headspace of whatever you're trying to ask it or whatever you want it to do. So I started with persona. And then I would like to explain what is the product that I'm selling and what is the product that I'm basically promoting with that email funnel. So I'm gonna continue with I have a, and here I want to insert my product or service. So I'm gonna use these double curly brackets, which we call variables in team-gpt. So basically, variables allow you to change the text inside them, inside the curly brackets, every time you reuse the prompt. So right now, I'm gonna write, I have what is your product or service? For example, this might be a SaaS product, a marketing agency, an e-commerce shop, a construction company, etc. And I'm gonna continue with the product that we're selling. What do you sell? So it might be products, it might be services, it might be property. Then I'm gonna continue with which is in the price range of, and here I'm gonna say insert price range. Good. Now, after I've explained what my product is, and you can see actually all the variables here highlighted in different colors. So after I have explained what our product is about, I want to continue building my prompt with explaining what the task is. So the task is to create an email funnel. So I'm gonna say I want to create an email funnel for, and here inside another variable, I'm gonna insert the goal of the funnel. So this might be follow-up, this might be checkout, this might be sign-ups, and etc. It might be, it can be many things. And then I'm gonna instruct the AI to make a plan for an email funnel that I should be sending to my clients. Good. And here I'm gonna also add my target audience inside another variable. So far, so good. I want the emails to sound. Here I'm gonna insert tone of voice. It might be friendly, funny, professional, etc. And make the emails short, medium, or long. Okay, so I have my prompt ready. Here on the right, you can see all of the variables that we have put inside, and I'm gonna save my prompt. You can see it here. Then I'm gonna start a new chat inside the emails subfolder, and I'm gonna use the same prompt. So for the purpose of this demo, we will be selling a backpack that is made of 100% recycled polyester, and I have prepared some information about the target audience of the backpack, the price range, etc. So I have selected this prompt, and here you can see that team-gpt allows me to basically input my information inside all of the variables we identified before, so I can actually reuse this prompt many times, and this will depend on the type of an email funnel that I want to build. So on what is the product or service, I would say that it is an e-commerce shop. On what do you sell? We sell this EcoTrek backpack, and I'm gonna give it the materials of the backpack, the capacity, etc. The price range is $150. The goal of the email funnel in our product would be to put in the cart, our target audience for our case is environmentally friendly, cautious hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, ages 25 to 45. The tone of voice would be funny, and I would like the emails to be short. So I'm gonna click on continue, and you can see that all the variables we filled in just now are now inserted inside the prompt. So I'm gonna send the prompt to the AI, and it is generating us an email funnel with a couple of emails. We have a welcome and introduction email. The emails are funny, they're also short. There you have it. This is how you build an email funnel with team-gpt in just a couple of minutes.